about you, but I don't like doing laundry. And afterwards, folding laundry, oh jeez. But I found a new way of getting my clothes clean. It's this new box here of soap. Believe it or not, all you have to do is just open up the box and drop the dirty laundry into the box. Look at that. Here's my laundry here. I'm gonna push that in there. Oh, look at this. There's a tie. I got a stain on this tie. I don't know if that's ever gonna come out or not. And then, well, there's a dirty sock. All right, well, let's stuff all this into the box and see if we can get it clean. Of course, it's a magical way of doing it. Yes, I'm going to show you just a second here. Watch this. You just close it up like this, and then you use a washing machine, but you don't have to put the clothes in the washing machine. You just keep it in the box. You turn the washing machine on. Watch this. Oh, look at that. And you put it under there, and just like magic, it creates the soap. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, look what happened. One of those turned into hard water, I guess. Now, let's find out if the laundry's done. Oh wait, I forgot to dry it. You gotta dry it. Oh, don't you hate it when the dryer breaks? There's supposed to be a warranty on this thing. Let's see. Wait, oh there it is. I fixed it after all. So now the clothes are dry, and all we have to do is open up the other side and look inside, and what do we see? Oh look. Yes, it's clean. It's clean. It's clean. Yes. Oh. Yeah, look at that. Oh, and then the tie. Look at the tie. The tie's clean too. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Oh yes, I'm so happy that it worked the way it did. And let's see what else we got here. We got another one that's clean. Yep. And that dirty sock. Oh look, it's clean. It's clean. I know you're probably wondering, but wait a second. Is there anything still in here? Well, I'm telling you, it's like magic because there's nothing inside there at all. Yes, it's empty. It just cleaned the laundry. Now that looks like magic to me.